In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can fix invalid time zone error on your N8N project. So after complete your N8N project, then when you want to activate it, then you get this type of error message. So basically, when you use your self-hosted N8N account like render.com or other, then you will get this type of error. So now how you can fix this issue? To fix this issue, we are going to our render.com, and then this is render.com dashboard, and I have deployed our N8N project on it. So first go to the project, and then here click on three dot icon, go to settings. Now on the left panel, go to environment. Now you will see all of your environment variable. Now go to edit. Now here you can see TG time zone, and this is the generic time zone. We need to change this to value. So first I'm going to change this one. Let's click on eye icon, and this is the currently Singapore time zone. So I am in Bangladesh, so that's why I have to change this. So let's change it. Asia Dhaka. Asia and Dhaka is our capital. So, and then I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to change this one TZ time zone. So after change this, just click on save and deploy. Now it will take a few moments to change these settings. So maybe you need to wait for 5 minutes or 10 minutes to change the effect. So after change this, now go to your N8N project. After that, click on refresh. Okay, so now if I go to click on activate, then let's see what happened. So this issue still showing. So after wait a few moments, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes later, you will see the issue will be solved. So I will check it after 10 minutes. Now let's click on activate, and there you go, workflow activated. So we have successfully activated our workflow. So we have successfully fixed the issue. Now let's click on got it. Now it's activated. So now you know how to fix the issue. Hopefully this video help you out. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.